Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you go open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon, go to three horizontal line and tap on the settings option. Even if you go to this account center, you won't be able to find any option where you can get access to deleting your account. For that purpose, go ahead, access your phone browser and go to this profile icon over here, tap on this gear icon right given, tap on, scroll down, tap on this help option, help center, search the keyword delete account, tap on that one and tap on this delete your Instagram account. If you scroll down, you will be able to find this article. Tap on this delete your account highlighted in blue right over there, and now you will have to choose a reason why you're doing it, something else, and then you will go ahead, enter your password, tap on this delete your account over there in this blue box. You will be able to remove your account like that. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.